The Panasonic S1 and S1R offer you the ability to adjust ISO in either full stop or thirds of a stop increments. In addition, our engineers have designed a range of ISOs that they feel give you the best dynamic range and the least amount of grain. But if you need a lower ISO and don't mind a slight compromise in dynamic range, or if you want a higher ISO and you don't mind a little bit more grain, we have an extended ISO function that'll give you an extended range of ISO settings. Let's go in the camera's menu and see how to adjust them. So we go to the camera's menu, we choose the gear or cog menu, it's this tab here. From there, we're going to select the top image quality tab. From there, we have an option that says ISO increments. You can simply select full or thirds of a stop. I always select thirds of a stop myself. In addition, we have extended ISO. When it's off and I press the ISO button on the top of the camera, you can see your low point is 100 and your high point on the S1 is 51,200. If I go into the camera's menu and turn extended ISO on, now when I press the ISO button, I have an extended high point of up to 204,800 and I have a low point of ISO 50. And you can see it's indicated with an L or an H. And that's the ISO adjustments of the S1 and the S1R.